Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change your cabin air filter in a 2007 Honda Accord. Here's a replacement filter I got, the EcoGuard XC35519. Pretty cheap on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description where you can get one as well. And of course, this will be the same as the 2003 to 2007 models. So we just open the glove box, and you see you've got this little arm here on the side that slows it down. Just push that straight back and that unclips, and that allows you to drop the glove box. And then what you want to do is on the sides up here, just push in on the left and the right side of the glove box, and that'll drop it down. And if there's anything in there, you might as well take it out, and you can drop it all the way down. And then you see this panel right here, it's got these two little clips. Just push them in and pull that out, and there's your old one. And of course it's real dirty. Okay, so here's the old one in its little cage or carrier here, and it just comes right out. And they have the arrow pointing up, which is not correct. We want the arrow pointing down. See right there for airflow, we want that to go down on this. And that's pretty common that they're upside down. It'll still work, it's not the end of the world, but it is supposed to go, the air does flow down through this. All right, and then we can put that back in. Even in the instructions here, it says make sure that the arrows are facing downward. So, all right, easy enough. On this little plastic piece here, it says airflow down as well, if you were curious or if you weren't sure. But then we could just push that just straight back in until it clips in place. Lift up the glove box, it will clip into place as well. And then we can put back what was in there and come over here to the side and just have to pick up the glove box just a little bit, pull that straight back, and that clips in place. And just like that, you're done. Hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll put a link in the description where you can pick up this cabin air filter as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.